Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to send personalized bulk emails directly from your Gmail account. Just to share with you that personalized emails is still working, and now the exact tool that is going to be helping you send personalized emails is called MailSuite. And this is not just one random tool that promises but doesn't deliver. MailSuite promises and it delivers perfectly well. Now with MailSuite, I can also track how my emails are basically performing. And now this is the main important thing about just sending personalized emails. You get to see how your emails are performing so you can know so you get to know if you'll be sending up a follow-up email or not. Wow, because message is going to be showing you if your emails are being opened or not. So right from here, I can just select and click on unopened emails, and automatically message is going to be showing me some of the emails that I sent out that has not been opened up yet. And if I come here and I also click on last open emails, all right, so it's going to be showing me the emails that people have opened so far that I sent to them. So this would help me with my email marketing better. So if you want to get access to MailSuite, it's simple. All you need to do right now is to come over to MailSuite and you want to click on download. So I recommend you go with the Chrome extension because that is what I'm currently making use of. So once you've been able to install the Chrome extension into your computer, you should be having a dashboard looking like this. All right, so once you've been able to install it into your computer, it's simple and it's easy to do, right? So I'm just going to open it right here from my Gmail account. And right here, you can see we have so many tabs displaying, but I want you to pay attention to this one that says campaigns because we want to send bulk personalized emails. So I'm going to click on campaigns and it's going to open up a new tab for me. And now next thing I have to do right from here is to click on send my first campaign. Now clicking on send my first campaign, it should open up our Gmail account where we can proceed with sending our personalized bulk emails. So I'm going to wait for this to open up really quick. All did. All right, now guys, you can see we have this little box opened up for us. Now the first thing that we are seeing here is the recipients tab. Now this is where we need to input the amount of people who are going to be receiving our emails. All right, now for you to be able to import your recipients, I like then something which I recommend you always do. Now you want to come here and says where it says import recipients, click on import recipient. It's going to open up your Google Sheets. All right guys, so there are basically two ways you can import your contact list into MailSuite. So you can either do this by your Google Sheets where you have to upload your list to your Google Sheet, and automatically it's going to scan through and it's going to find all of the data you have there, and you just have to select which one you're trying to make use of. And also you can import a CXV directly from your computer, and I know many of you are going to be good with this method because it's much more easy. All you need to do is to click on choose a CXV file to upload. It opens up your browser for you. It opens up your computer, and this is where you want to find where you have your contact list so you can import it into MailSuite. But for me, I'm going to work with from Google Sheet because I already have my contact list saved up directly on my Google Sheet. So I'm going to select this one basically because this is the contact. These are the contact I want to reach out to in this video. I'm going to click on import contact. And right from here, you can see we have just two columns on this file, the name files, the name column, and also the email column. And I recommend you also do this when trying to create your file that you're going to be importing into MailSuite. Just have two columns, the name field and also the email field. So I'm going to click on import data. And now you can see guys automatically that all the recipients has been added to my Gmail account. Now I'm just going to go in and type in my subject line. Now, guys, if you want to add your personalization to every of the emails that you are writing, it's simple. All you need to do right now is you can see where it says the MailSuite leads. You want to open up this field, and right here, this is where you want to add your personalization. Now, personalization is where you're going to be adding the person's name or some details that basically means that you are talking to an exact person. So I'm going to click on name. All right. And now I'm just going to go in and type in my message body. All right, guys, so you can see what my message body looks like. And now, right now, you can see from the subject line, I was able to add in this particular notation here, which means that the recipient's name is going to be imputed in this particular place. And right here, you can see for the content as well, I also have this one that says the name column. So it means that when I'm sending my emails, MailSuite is going to automatically add my recipient's name to it. And that's why I told you when trying to import your least, please make sure you have two columns, basically the name column and the email column, because that is where MailSeed is going to pick out the notation for your personalization. So once I'm done with this, guys, I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on continue. So as I click on continue, okay, now you can see I'm going to be sending to 13 recipients. But if you want to work with more, you can also upgrade your account, because the free plan is going to allow you send just 50% in a particular day. So once you exhaust 50 for today, you need to wait for another 24 hours before you can send in another 50. But if you want to go more, if you want to go big, you can also upgrade your plan, because MailSeed has special pricing plans for everybody. Now you can say the free plan here is costing $0, where you don't have to pay any money, and that is what I'm basically making of in this video. And now the advanced plan is going to be costing just $8. And guys, look at this, you can send emails to a lot of individuals without no restrictions. So it means that you working with $8, guys, you can be sending bulk emails directly to your recipient with no issues whatsoever. So if you want to send personalized emails, I hope that MailSeed is going to be the best tool for you to use when trying to send your next personalized email, because with this particular software, you can send emails and also track how your emails are performing, if your recipients are opening them, if they reply to you, and so many other functions that you would not find in any other tool. All right, so now one super advanced feature about MailSeed that I'd like to share with you quickly is the ability for you to come over to the advanced settings, and right here, this is where you want to tell MailSeed how to notify you when your recipient performs an action. Now, for instance, now you can also select when the email is opened, you want MailSeed to notify you. You want to click on this one here and also click on email, so they can notify you by email and tell you that, okay, your email has been opened. And you can see you have quite a number of things that MailSeed can notify you for. So you can also select this one that says when links are clicked. So let's say you're actually embedding a particular link to your message body and you want to track if people are clicking on the link. With MailSeed, you can track how those links are basically performing. So this is just one and all. This is just an all-in-one platform where you can manage your emails, you send them out, you track them, and see how they are performing. And if you want to also add your reply to address, it's simple. All you need to do is to come in here and type in the email, and automatically, when your recipient replies to your email, is going to be sent over to your reply to address. So this is one super feature about MailSeed that I recommend to everybody trying to track their emails while sending personalized bulk emails. So I hope this video also helpful to you. If you did find it helpful, please smash the like button and let me know what you think about MailSeed in the comment section below. Now see you in my next video. Until then, please take care of yourself and bye.